Plating International, the leading supplier of chrome plating chemicals and equipment in the world, is revolutionizing the hard chrome plating process. Are you still adding dry chromic acid from the drum by hand? You could be exceeding PEL limits and potentially exposing personnel to hazardous fumes. Plating International's new dry IBC tote technology is the future of chrome, revolutionizing everything we know about chromic acid. This dustless technique greatly reduces the risks associated with hexavalent chromium, both from a safety and environmental perspective. It's better for your employees, better for the environment, and better for your bottom line. Here's a look at how it works. Our process begins when we receive shipments of dry chromic acid in 250 kilogram containers. First, we use a proprietary dry repackaging system to transfer the chromic acid into a dry intermediate bulk container, or dry IBC tote. We can package these with any weight you need for your application. The dry repackaging machine uses a hydraulic lift system to invert cans of chromic acid and empty them into a large loading hopper. The empty tote gets moved into the filling station, and the filling head is lowered into the dry IBC tote. Then, the loading hopper uses a screw conveyor to automatically feed the desired amount of material into the dry IBC tote. Throughout this part of the process, we use a ventilation system to ensure no employees are exposed to the hazardous chemicals. And we use a HEPA filter, so none of the hazardous chemicals make it into the outside air. Now, the filled dry IBC tote can be used to safely manufacture liquid chromic acid. We can ship the tote to you like this, or use the next stage of our innovative manufacturing process to do the blending for you. The next step is the liquid filling line. Here, our system automatically moves totes to the water filling station and uses a proprietary filling method to add the desired amount of deionized water to the mixture to create any concentration of chromic acid. In less than 3 minutes, the liquid filling process is complete. The tote moves to the next step, the mixing station. Here, we can mix the chrome and water. Or we add additional chemicals to the tote and mix after each component is added. This is how we create complex proprietary blends, customized for your needs. We use a weight-based formula to add each product and record each formula after the product is added. This helps us maintain strict control over the quality of each tote we manufacture and each chemical within that tote, so we can ensure identical reproduction of each tote. We sample every tote for quality control before we ship it to you. Our quality control rate is 100%. We generally manufacture each blended tote in 5 to 10 minutes. With this innovative technology, we can process a truckload of liquid chromic acid in under an hour. We can also ship you dry IBC totes filled only with powdered chemicals for you to create a finished liquid blend in your own facility. There are numerous benefits to buying dry IBC totes, and you get all of the savings and efficiencies for about the same price as a traditional drum of chromic acid. The new dry IBC tote process is just one way Plating International is moving the chrome plating industry forward. Contact us today to learn what Plating International can do for your operation.
Of a job, and his old SCR rectifier's acting up again, which means this batch is scrap, and he's shut down again until the big beast gets fixed. This means wasted time and wasted money. That's because hard chrome platers like Bob don't really call the shots, their rectifiers do. Which is frustrating, considering 1, how much they cost, 2, how much they cost to operate, and 3, how much space they take up. Here's news Bob is going to love. He doesn't have to put up with his old SCR rectifier ever again, because there's a better way. Plating International presents the FlexCraft Switch Mode Rectifier. Here's how the FlexCraft Switch Mode Rectifier stacks up against Bob's old SCR. Because Bob is a hard chrome applicator, he appreciates the extremely low ripple, less than 2%, compared with his SCR that requires a costly ripple filter. Switch Mode technology is vastly more efficient, with nearly 90% efficiency across its entire output range of 0 to 60 volts and 0 to 24,000 amps. Bob can save around 25% on his electric bill. Additionally, if Bob needed internal reverse, the FlexCraft costs 35% less than a traditional SCR with pole reverse. Need more amperage later? No problem. More units can be stacked on. Then there's maintenance and size. When Bob's SCR goes down, work stops. Not with the FlexCraft. It's uniform, modular, and self-diagnoses issues. If one module fails, the unit continues, running at reduced power, minimizing downtime. And the footprint? The FlexCraft is about half the size of the SCR. Bob's ready to pull the plug on his old SCR, save money, and make the switch. How about you? See how the FlexCraft switch mode rectifier stacks up at www.platinginternational.com/rectifiers.